Okay, we are on our way to our trekking. We're going through the Atlas Mountains. And are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Are you excited, Seth?
No, I'm excited.
Okay. Leonard, are you excited?
I'm excited. Yay.
Yay, we're all very excited. We're going through a lot of areas that have been affected by the earthquake, and we just picked up some apples.
The earthquake was about 6 months ago.
Yeah, and the earthquake was about 6 months ago. So here we go. We're gonna go trekking through the Atlas Mountains after I pee, because I really have to pee. We are in the Atlas Mountains, and we're seeing a lot of villages that were damaged by the earthquake. And I did pee successfully. Here we have a goat house, because it turns out goats are very antisocial, and they don't like living in the village with the people. So, and there's Mom.
Hi!
Okay, we've been hiking for about 3 hours, 2.5 hours. And we just had a nice lunch, and we're back on the road, and it should be another hour and a half until we get to our guest house for the night. And we can see the snow-capped mountain ahead of us. That's nice. We are at our guest house. This is our new room. And there is Terserdount. So much green. Yeah, there they go off the hill. We're about to go up that hill.
Can't
You
wait.
ready? Okay, here we go. Yeah. Here they come. They're gaining on us. Hello, mules. I will get out of your way. You're doing great. So we are in National Forest. As you can see, we're going to that valley. And then we'll have an amazing view from the top.
I think it's great.
Yeah,
And every view is different. I keep taking a picture like every foot.
I know, me
upward.
too. It's so hard to stop because it's so gorgeous.
It is. Every view is different.
Yeah. We're at our lunch stop. we struggle down this mountain one tiny foot at a time. We've got these goats up here. They're just running around, no problem. You ready to get there? I'm ready to get to the hotel face. It's the morning after our hike, and my legs are totally dead, and so are my feet. Now we're gonna go on a 4-hour drive to the desert, and we're gonna have a completely different experience.
Gladiator 2 coming out later. What else?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones, yeah. They're sneaking around. Right over there, where a lot of it was filmed.
Yeah.
Like the Gladiator pit, the first one in
down there, they built
the
that
Russell
there.
Crowe. But they have to take it apart because it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
It's so cool. It's amazing. I know. You did it. There's a truck beating the other truck. We are at the Terserdount Gorge. It's incredible. So we are in a place called Terserdount, and I don't know about you, but this is like exactly what I think of. I think it's just like and in a desert. It's pretty accurate, actually. Apparently. So we're in this gorge of Terserdount, and it's ice. It's ice. It's incredible. Here we are at our glamping in the desert. And later we're gonna have dinner. Seth's looking for a cat. Oh, he found one. There she is. There's Mom and Leonard.